हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको विक्टोरियन पोइट्री 1850 टू 1900। इन ऑर्डर टू नो द विक्टोरियन पोइट्री इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू अंडरस्टैंड द जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द विक्टोरियन एज। द विक्टोरियन एज आल्सो known as the age of Tennyson in English literature witnessed an unprecedented change and progress in all spheres of life. It was an era of material affluence, political awakening, democratic reforms, industrial and mechanical progress, scientific advancement, social unrest, educational expansion, idealism and pessimism. Heading है an era of peace. The Victorian era was remarkable for its uninterrupted peace. The few colonial wars that took place during this period did not seriously disturb the national life, though the Crimean War directly affected Britain. The source of this war were soon held up. The rivals of this period were particularly ardent champions of universal peace, brotherhood and justice. They regard war as an unmitigated evil on a relic of barbarism. Second, prosperity and progress. As it was an age of peace, it made remarkable progress in industrial and mechanical development. Factories were established all over England and large-scale production added to the national wealth. The new commercial energy of England was reflected in the Great Exhibition of 1851, and it was hailed as the beginning of a new era of prosperity. Heading a new education. The new education. Educational expansion was registered by the passing of Education Act, by which education to a limited degree became compulsory. The education expansion produced an enormous reading public. As the publication of books became cheap, their production was multiplied. Education brought political and social awakening among the masses. Press became a powerful political force with the diffusion of education. A great reading public grew up unlike any that he existed before. Heading Victoria Compromise. It was an era of turbulent social change. Man was caught between also worlds, the one dead and the other not yet formed. The new democratic, scientific and industrial force tended towards the breaking down of the existing order. Hence an effort was made to reconcile the old and the new, to bring about a compromise between science and religion, between the demand for progress and the need of stability, order and peace. In the field of political life, there was a compromise between democracy and aristocracy, adding a social unrest, social purpose and realism. Victorian era was characterized by great social unrest. The class of wealthy capitalists and mill owners was rolling in wealth and luxury. But on the other hand, factory workers and laborers were leading a life of abject misery and poverty. The Industrial Revolution had appealed strongly to the baser instinct of the commercial classes. To the wage earning classes, the new wealth accorded from the vast increase of manufacturers meant little. The poor living condition of the industrial slaves attracted the attention of social reformers and writers. Heading है Advance of Democratic Ideals. In the political sphere, the progress of democracy was a remarkable achievement. The political supremacy of the landed aristocracy had been destroyed by the Reform Bill of 1832, but there was no improvement in the condition of the working classes. Agitation for electoral reforms continued. The popular movement known as Chartism kept England for about 10 years in a state of political unrest, which was further stimulated by the industrial depression and widespread misery of the Hungry 40s. The glaring social and political problems stirred the conscience of reformers and gave immense impetus to philanthropic energy and the spirit of humanitarianism. Heading है The Impact of Science. The progress of science kept pace with the progress of democracy. Due to the spread of popular education, newspaper, magazine and cheap books, the fact and speculation of scientists and thinkers passes rapidly into the possession of the reading public at large. Next है heading Revival of Interest in the Past. Though the Victorians were interested in contemporary social and political life, they still had a fascination for the old age. Some of the writers and poets had romantic thirst for beauty, love and art. The pre-Raphaelites remained unaffected by the sweeping tide of realism in fiction, and they were attracted towards the Middle Ages. In the sphere of religion, Cable and Newman pioneered the Oxford movement, which was based on spiritual romanticism. Just as romanticism went back to old tradition and feeling, in the same way the Oxford reforms refreshed religious life by a return to the past. There are many Victorian poets who have contributed to the development of English poetry. Some of them are certainly the most outstanding poet of English poetry. Thanks, best of luck.